What is the value of q that makes the following equation true? 1 minus q minus 4 plus 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Let's see the first thing that can do. That is 6 divided by 2, which is 3. We have a 4 plus 3 inside bracket. Q minus this, 1 minus that equals 3. Now what do we do? This 4 plus 3 is 7. That we can simplify it as inside the bracket. 1 minus q minus 7 equal 3. This is 1 minus q plus 7 equals 3. Or 8 minus q is 3. Bring the 3 this side, q that side. 8 minus 3 is q. Wonderful. So q should be fine. Just going to substitute this. 1 minus 5 minus 4 plus 6 divided by 2. What is this equal to? 4 plus 3 is 7. 1 minus 5 minus 7. This 1 minus minus 2, which is 3. That works. So that equation holds good. That's what we're looking for.